Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the art of cheese production, specifically focusing on how enzymes play a crucial role in transforming milk into those delicious blocks of cheesy goodness. And if you're as passionate about cheese as we are, you're in for a treat. So, grab your cheese knives and let's get started. Before we jump into the enzyme magic, let's understand the basics of cheese making. Cheese is essentially a complex dance between milk, bacteria, and enzymes. Today, we'll be focusing on enzymes and their pivotal role. So, what are enzymes? In the cheese-making process, enzymes are natural proteins that act as catalysts, speeding up chemical reactions without being consumed themselves. There are two main types of enzymes at play: rennet and starter cultures. Rennet is a key enzyme in cheese production, traditionally derived from the stomach lining of young calves. However, modern cheese-making often uses microbial recombinant protein or plant-based rennet. Its main job is to curdle the milk, separating it into solid curds and liquid whey. Think of rennet as the conductor in our cheese-making orchestra. When it's added to milk, it signals the casein proteins to bond together and form a gel-like structure. This is the beginning of our cheese. Now, let's talk about starter cultures. These are friendly bacteria strains like Lactobacillus and Streptococcus, which are added to milk. They work their magic by converting lactose into lactic acid, which gives cheese its tangy flavor and helps preserve it. Starter cultures also play a crucial role in the texture and aroma of cheese. Different strains create different flavors and textures, from the mild and creamy brie to the sharp and crumbly cheddar. Now, here's where the enzyme magic happens. After rennet and starter cultures are added, the milk begins to transform. Rennet helps form curds by clumping the proteins together, while the starter cultures acidify the milk and develop its unique taste. The curds slowly grow larger as they continue to release whey, which is the liquid portion of the milk. The whey is drained off, leaving behind the curds, which are then cut, stirred, and heated to achieve the desired texture and moisture content for the specific type of cheese being made. After the initial cheese-making process, many cheeses undergo an aging or ripening period. This is where enzymes continue to work their magic, breaking down proteins and fats, further developing the cheese's flavor and texture. And there you have it, cheese lovers. Enzymes are the unsung heroes of cheese production, transforming humble milk into a wide variety of delicious cheeses we all know and love. So, next time you bite into your favorite cheese, remember the fascinating journey it took to reach your plate. Enzymes, alongside skilled cheesemakers, are the true artisans behind these culinary delights. Thanks for joining us today, and stay curious about the cheesy world. If you found this video as gouda as we did, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep experimenting and savoring those cheese moments. And hey, speaking of experiments, ever wonder how cheese affects your gut microbiome? Well, that's a topic for another cheesy day.